Intermediate second year, the language of advertisement. What is that? The language of advertisement. Already we had learned about 4 kinds of advertisement. Now learning to how to learn English. So where is it available material? So then from to which class? Now we have to learn another one, advertisement. So let us learn. Students, so this is one kind advertisement. One kind advertisement. Already we have learned about 4 kinds of advertisement. So now I am reading about this advertisement. Please listen and observing carefully. So this is the one kind of advertisement. After your hearing and listening and reading carefully, they have given some few questions. If you are answered one word answers, they will give you 5 questions only in this advertisement. First, every student asks now about the advertisement. First one, what is that advertisement? And second one, read carefully, then you understand itself, then according your view and examination point of view. So it is like business advertisement, paper advertisement, and invitation advertisement, logical advertisement, puzzle advertisement, some other etc. It was advertisement about to how to learn in English. So it is, where is it available, like price, so it is information right or wrong, wherever and whatever it may be. So now about to, I am reading, listen carefully. The advertisement has, listen, why learn English now? Please listen, the heading, why learn English now? Learn, learn. So learn in L for line, E for elephant, A for ant, R for rabbit, N for nest. So it is about to us the abbreviation indicating to animal picture. So L for line, they are giving line picture in L, and next one E for elephant, E in the above, they are giving to elephant picture, then another one letter A on the picture, an ant, another one R for rabbit, R in middle, they are show to rabbit picture, and N for nest, in nest they are kept in few eggs, LEARN, learn. Why learn English now? So why learn English now? They are giving in little bit letters in white. So I read, listen carefully. Because it is the language you will need tomorrow. Please watch carefully. English now, the question mark, the sentence is given to interrogative sentence. Under the given to one sentence in white letters, but you cannot see why the letters are printed to white colors. It is hidden. I read, listen. Because it is the language you will need tomorrow. Then under this some given to some few books. So another one, under books they are given to some points indicated to bullet points. What is that? I am reading, listen. Magic pot is your child's gateway to English. What is that? Magic pot is your child's gateway to English. And first one, read aloud stories. Read loud stories. So reading to loud reading. The stories are readly loud voice. Then second one, word games. Word games. So make words and play games. You make a new sentence, create a new words. Then third one, coloring. You are indicated to colors. So color, 7 rainbow colors they are giving. So mixing to 2 colors, mixing reduce to generated new color. So you will learn to colors, different colors. And fourth one, join the dots. Join the dots. Dots means, so make it dots game, make it dots way, make it dots row. And fourth one, mages. Mages means small forest. Mages means small forest. తెలుగులో వాటిని చిట్టడుగులు అంటారు. అడవులు వేరు, చిట్టడుగులు వేరు. చిట్టడుగులు మ్యాజిస్ అంటారు. Fourth one is mages. And fifth one, craft for kinds. Craft for kinds. So first child up to childhood days to and completed higher study. You will create thoughts in your children's mind how to make draws simply, critically. Make a draw in own. Then seventh one, tips on printing. Tips on printing and many other activities too. Tips on printing and many other activities too. So make it many activities. It's in your children's self because it won. Then their book given, books in black place. In the mention there are some letters. What is that? Nursery or primary school children's magic pot. Nursery and primary school children's magic pot. And another one, play and grow with magic pot. Another one sentence letters, play and grow with magic pot. Magic pot under round they are giving price. Price they are mentioned 15 rupees only. So it is the total advertisement. First, why learn English now? Because it is the language you will need tomorrow. Magic pots in your children's gateway to English. First point, read and loud stories. Second, word games. Four, colors. And fifth, join the dots. Sixth, magic. And sixth one, craft and kids. Seventh one, tips on printing and many others activities too. So the magic book in available nurseries and primary school children's only. The magic pot and play and grow with magic pot, price 15 rupees. So this is the advertisement. The course learn. Children went out to learn in school because elder persons somebody don't know about English. They are learn to individually. They are buy book and learn to individual own itself. So I am reading about the advertisement, you are listening. So they are giving very few questions. If you understand the questions and answer the one word sentence. So what is the first question? Listen students. And what answer does the advertisement give to question while an English now? Again I repeat first question. What answer does the advertisement give to question while an English now? ప్రస్తుతం ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకోవడం అంత అవసరమా అని అంటారు. సో నవేడేస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ ప్లే ద కీ రోల్ ఇన్ ఎంటైర్ వరల్డ్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ డూయింగ్ జాబ్ నీడ్ ఇంగ్లీష్, ఇఫ్ యూ వెన్ విజిట్ టు ప్లేస్ నీడ్ ఇంగ్లీష్, and anyone do you have to doing anyone need to English in business and entire nowadays in the world. So first question answer is because it is the language you will need tomorrow. Answer is why learn English now? The English learn now because it is the language you will need to tomorrow. Tomorrow you will be lower staff in promoted to Irish officially, that is need to English, communicate to any other issues need to learn English, and they will publish a notice in English, you read to English, that's why you need to English. And second one question, what is the claimed in this advertisement to be your child gateway to English? Again I repeat, what is claimed in the advertisement to be your child gateway to English? So they will mention claim to about the advertisement. What is that? So advertisement to be your child gateway to English, gateway it is available. So Magic Pots is your children's gateway to English. What is that? Magic Pot is your child's gateway to English. Second one answer. And third one, Magic Pot includes information for parents too. So this is one word answer. If you understand the question, you say true or false. Magic Pot includes information for parents too. True or false? True. So first understand parents about the uses of this advertisement, so they are understand and how to use. So said to his children's, that's why Magic Pot include information for parents too. True or false? True. And fourth one, what is the price of Magic Pot? Here means Magic Pot means English book, learning English book, very easy. Magic Pot means learning English book. So what is the price of Magic Pot? Magic Pot price there is mentioned in advertisement. How much of rupees Magic Pot? 15 rupees only. Price is 15 rupees. 15 rupees. Fourth answer is what is the price of Magic Pot? 15 rupees. And fifth one, Magic Pot contains material for dash. So you fill in the blanks. Again I repeat, Magic Pot contains material for what is which standards available? Magic Pot contains material for which standard? Up to. So nursery or primary school children's Magic Pot contains material for nursery or primary school children's only. So this is the advertisement of how to learn English language. So it is the importance of this. Then it was gateway of enter the learn about language. So this is the one kind of publishing advertisement. Thank you students, remaining due to learn about next class.